Welcome to how to create a new slider piece for your home page. Your slider piece is the piece in the top of your home page at the center. It can feature a video from YouTube, from Vimeo. It can show an image with a title text and some description. It can also have buttons and things like that that link to other places on your site. To start, you'll see on your new piece here, if you hover over it, you'll see slider item, and we'll add a new slider item. Now, how to add pieces to a new slider item, it's best to show you with an old slider item. So if we click on the old slider item, you'll see that You'll Never Be Bored at Prestwick Chase slider item, which has the title You'll Never Be Bored at Prestwick Chase. There's always something to do at Prestwick Chase. Just look at our calendars versus regular text, and then we have a button like we created using the mural buttons piece here, and which is a medium button that links to the events page. That's a fancy subtle corners. Most important part of publishing a slider item, if you do not check under slider categories the home page option, it will not show up on the home page. The home page is configured to only show slider items that have the category of home page. So if you don't select home page, you click conference rooms. If you don't select anything, then it just won't show up. Now, you'll see there isn't an image inside of here, but there is an image on the slider item. Here's the image. That image is actually done through the featured image piece. So again, you would just click on the add featured image on a new page. So if we go to the new one, we'll type in the slider item. It will be test slider item title, and then this is the content of the slider item. Make sure we set it to home page. So featured image, we would just set the featured image here. Now you can go into your media library and check out all of the images that you have. So let's say we'll go with we want to see Flag Day. So we'll click show on Flag Day, and we're going to use this as the featured image. Close out. Now the Flag Day image is there. The theme will automatically format this to make it fit the best way possible. So now the other important parts here are slider item custom destination URL. That can be whatever URL you want. So I just copy the same URL as the button here. So if you just copy and paste the URL into here, when you click on the actual image, it will go to that image. Now we want to show the title and the description, so it's not just an image. So we're going to check show title, check the image. Now these are the videos that you can use. If you wanted to add a YouTube video, you could select YouTube. It'll ask you for the YouTube URL, and if you copy and paste your YouTube URL in there, same with Vimeo. Here's your Vimeo URL, but we're not going to show that there. And that's it. That's as simple as it is to add a new draft piece on there. So again, slider items are pretty difficult to get exactly right. I can always add any slider items that you'd like to see on the home page. I can make them as pretty as you'd like. So that's how to add a new slider item to your home page.